Let me share with you the essence of the Gita, the timeless wisdom that reveals the path to self-realization. Sri Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, says to Arjuna,
"What I explained to you earlier as the essence of the Gita, I will now share with you again. The path to understanding your true self lies in mastering Ashtanga Yoga, the eightfold practice of yoga, and Vedanta, the ultimate wisdom of the Vedas. Only through this can one achieve the ultimate goal of life, Atmalabh, or the realization of the true self. And this, Arjuna, is the greatest attainment. There is nothing higher than this. The Atma, or soul, is beyond form, beyond the body, and beyond the senses. It transcends everything material. Its nature is like a smokeless flame, ever luminous and steady. Just as lightning lights up the sky for a brief moment, the Atma constantly illuminates the heart. It sees everything clearly, though the senses themselves cannot comprehend their own nature. When the light of the Atma shines within, ignorance dissolves, wisdom, jnana, awakens, and all sins, papa, are destroyed. The path to this realization is through Ashtanga Yoga, which includes 8 practices. Yama, ethical principles like nonviolence, ahimsa, truthfulness, satya, and honesty, asteya. Niyama, personal disciplines like self-purity, contentment, and introspection. Asana, physical postures to stabilize the body. Pranayama, breath control, which regulates the life force. Prana. Pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses from distractions. Dhyana, deep meditation on the divine. Dharana, concentration or focus on a single point. Samadhi, complete stillness and union with the ultimate reality, realizing I am Brahman, Aham Brahmasmi. To walk this path, Arjuna, it is essential to live a life of discipline. Speak the truth kindly and righteously, avoid falsehood, and practice detachment. This is the essence of Sanatana Dharma, the eternal way of righteousness. To truly understand the self, you must direct your mind inward. Gradually, the mind, senses, and ego must merge into higher realities, first into intellect, then into Prakriti, nature, and finally into Purusha, the Supreme Being. When this process is complete, you become situated in the ultimate reality, the Para-Brahman, infinite consciousness. This is the highest state of meditation, where the realization of I am Brahman occurs, leading to moksha, liberation from the cycle of life and death. Self-study, swadhyaya, and austerity, tapas, also play important roles. Studying Vedantic wisdom, chanting the sacred syllable Om, and repeating divine names help purify the mind. Concentrating the mind and senses dissolves distractions, allowing the true nature of the Atma to emerge. But, Arjuna, it's not just discipline that leads to liberation. Devotion, bhakti, is equally important. True devotion is unwavering love for the divine, expressed through your actions, thoughts, and words. In meditation, visualize the divine both in form, murti, and formless, amurti. Let your mind merge with the vision of Lord Vasudeva, holding steadfast focus. This is what I call dharana, concentration on the divine. And then comes the ultimate state, samadhi. In this state, the ego dissolves completely, and you realize that you are one with the infinite reality. You understand, not just intellectually, but with your entire being, the truth of I am Brahman. This is liberation, Arjuna. This is moksha. So you see, Arjuna, the essence of the Gita is this. Understand your true self, walk the path of discipline and devotion, and let the light of the Atma guide you to ultimate freedom. It is a journey of self-discovery that leads to the highest knowledge and everlasting peace.